In this video, I'm going to show you how you can generate your own sound effects for free. And for this, we are going to use ElevenLabs, which is a text-to-speech AI tool that is readily available for free. My name is Isaac, and this is a minute with AI. So let's get into it. Now, the first thing you need to do is to go and sign up for ElevenLabs, and this is the website, and will be brought to this homepage. ElevenLabs is one of the best tools out there that is used to generate text to speech. And apart from just text to speech, you can also use ElevenLabs to generate sound effects. And the good thing is this can be done for free, for ElevenLabs provides a free account. And as we can see here, for a free account, you can generate up to 10 minutes of ultra high quality text to speech creations per month. Now today, I'm just interested in creating sound effects. And for this, we are going to use this sound effects option. So click on sound effects once you have logged into your ElevenLabs. And here you have an option to choose the sound effects that you want. There are a variety of examples that we have here. For instance, the car whizzing by, percussion sounds, animal sounds, and so many others as you may wish. Now you can use one of these or come up with yours. For instance, let's go ahead and click on animal sounds, and our generations are ready, so we can go and listen in. And once you have generated, go ahead and hit on download button, which is this, and then you will get your sound effects straight to your computer. Now, you can also go ahead and try your own generation. So let's go and generate our own sound effects according to the description that you want. For instance, I want the droplets of rain on umbrella. So this is my prompt, and I want to generate sound effect for this. I'll just go ahead and click on generate, and let's wait for the results. And here again, we have 4 results. Let's listen in. And the last one. Great. So go ahead and download your creations. You can download all of them, or you can download the one that perfectly aligns with your need. So that's how you create sound effects with ElevenLabs for free. If this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.